Welcome to this tutorial video for getting started with the Back to School online verification. You're going to need your parent account information to get logged in to your parent account to complete that process. I'll show you where there's information where you can get connected with that if you do not have that information at this time. The first place you need to start is at the school district website. You can start by just typing ahschools.us in the address bar of a browser. It's best not to use Internet Explorer for this process, so using Google Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge or Safari on the Mac will work best for this process. Once you're at the district website, you want to use this icon. We call it the lock and key. When you click that, it's going to open the login page, and this is where the contact information is. If you are having trouble with your parent account, you can call this number or send an email here, and we'll get back to you straight away on how to get your account fixed and get you logged in. So I'm going to log in with a test account. This will have several students attached to it. There'll be a good example of what it would look like for you when you get logged in. So once I add my parent ID and then the password for the account, I can click go, and it's going to log me into this page. Depending on the device that you're using, this page might look a little bit different from this one, but on the browser, on a computer, this is what this landing page should look like. You probably won't have as many icons as this, and that's fine, but usually towards the bottom of the list will be this icon right here called My Student Information. That's where we're going to go to get started with the online back to school verification. Once I click that, it's going to open a new tab. You'll see that I still have this page available to me, so I can come back here and just click here, or I can come here, and now I'm in this new ParentVUE application. You should see all the students connected to your family in this middle section here. I have a lot. Like I said, this is a test account, so I have way more. But just before we get into the online registration piece, which we're going to go to right up here, I just want to show you a couple of new things that are available to you here through this ParentVUE account. And then in our part 2 video, we'll start right at the online registration. So here, one of the things that's super important for right now for back to school is when I choose this particular student up here. So let me change students because that student doesn't have any classes. But when I change up here to a different student and then I click class schedule, you'll see that now I can see the full schedule for my student, and I can see the teacher that's assigned to that student. The nice thing is that if I click right here on the teacher's name, it should open an email and allow you to email that teacher directly. So a very nice feature, this class schedule. The second piece that's really helpful for verifying information that we have for your student is down on the student info link. This is going to show you the student's email address, contact information that we have. It's also going to show their attend day, A or B. We'll show the emergency contacts that we have on file and any health and medical information as well. So that's a very useful screen. The final screen that is new this year for using is this fee screen. The balance here is left over from last year, and again, as this is a test student, hopefully you don't have a $310 balance, but if you want to add money to a student meal account, or if you want to pay for an activity for your student, you'll notice that up here shows the student, and this is connected to George's school. So George attends Blaine High School. So when I have him selected in the list, this will show all the activities that Blaine High School has made available for me to pay for as a parent and for George to participate in. If I want to add money to George's food account, then I would click on this food services option. And you'll see that now all my kids are going to show up here. So for food, I can add money to all my children's account from this food services link. And if I just wanted to add money to George, I would click Add Funds Now. It should walk you through setting up the payment information, how to add it to your cart, and then make the payment. To get back to the parent view, you can use the back button, and then it's going to bring you back to this screen. So that ends the introduction. In the next video, we'll start with how to walk through the online registration and the back to school verification forms.